shop, and I decided to work on the Briggs engine that I blew up originally. The first video of the channel. It was in shorts, I think. But I just took off the bottom cover. I forgot to film it. But I haven't touched anything but taken the cover off, and this is what I found. There's a bunch of metal shavings. Yeah, you can kind of see it in there. But the entire way around the bottom, there's just metal shavings. And I come in here and I'm like, everything doesn't look horrible. It's not great because there's something wrong. I'm just trying to look for any type of problems down here. And I look down here. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but there's just metal laying on the ground. And right here, there's an extra piece of metal that doesn't need to be there. So we're just gonna pretend we didn't see that, you know, just, it's alright. And I'm just kind of looking around. These gears don't actually look all that bad. I see a lot of people, these gears get ground up. This is a oil thrower. But I don't know if that's supposed to have play in it. That's the, I think it's the harmonic balancer for the crank. But I don't think it's supposed to have play in it. I'll check. But I'm thinking about rebuilding this engine. It's gonna need a lot of work. There's ice right there. Here, let me get my flashlight out so y'all can see. There. Then down there. Oh, come on. Hold on. Let me swap hands here. All that metal. It's pretty rough. I'll get back when I get some more stuff apart. Alright, we're back. I have removed the camshaft, both lifters, and I just found some carnage in here. I'm pretty sure that's from the piston up there. But yeah, everything doesn't look horrible yet other than the spare metal. But yeah. I forgot to remove the flywheel, so I'm gonna throw this cover back on, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so we're back. I had to go do the dishes like 2 hours later, and I came out and got the piston out, and there's actually 2 rings still on there. I don't actually know what the rings are called. I haven't done much research on rings, but I think I'm going to rebuild the engine because it's the piston and the head that had the most damage. And the rod actually looks pretty good. I was actually surprised by that. The rod looks decent. I pulled the crank out. Everything is pretty much stripped out of the engine other than the governor. It kind of just snapped off when I pulled the crank out. But there is metal all in the bottom of this thing. So, yeah. It's pretty rough. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Doggy, doggy, doggy. So, yeah, we're just gonna keep kind of... I'll go through it. The bore looks pretty good, actually. There is some metal in there, but there's no, like, harsh scrapings that won't come out. I think we can hone it out or something, just to make it nice and clean. And I think I'm going to try to rebuild the engine. It's just a bunch of metal that needs cleaned out, and some stuff that needs to go back together. But it looks pretty good. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video... I'm hitting stuff. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Go check out Zane Zimmerman on YouTube. And, Farmboy 7.3. You gotta get the 0.3 in there, and it'll come up. And, have a great night.